So today I am going to show you how to create your classes on Quizizz and connect with them on Google Classroom. So you've signed up for an account, it's a free account, and you're going to make sure that it's a teacher account. So you're going to go here on the left side of the website, you're going to go to your classes. You're going to either import classes from Google or you can create a class. If you import your Google classes, you're going to sign in and all of your classes will show up. What I usually do is I make sure that they require a guardian's email address. This way they can be sent student progress reports. That's a personal option. You could always do it later and you could always remove them. I also want to make sure that I am attached to my is73.org account. This way, the program actually pulls up the correct classes. Since I have my advisory classes and I have my math classes, I want to make sure that I'm only clicking the classes that I want to actually use. So for my advisory classes and my other teachers' advisory classes that I'm in, I'm not going to select those. I just want my math classes. Then I'll save, and my students will receive an invitation. If you use create a class, you would type in the class that you have. What would it be for? That you would require, and you would assign them a color. If you do it this way, they give you a code and you can copy it and share it with your class. When you link it through Google Classroom, it will automatically post something to the classroom. So I'm going to try it just with my homeroom, my demo class, so you can see. So I'm going to save it. No, I can always go back and edit my class details. I'm requiring, I'm going to require guardian email address. Then I'm going to go to my class and see what it looks like. So now I am in my demo class, and this is if I shared it on Google Classroom and linked it. It will automatically post a Quizizz class invite link. If I click on that as a student, it will link me back to Quizizz and connect your is73 account. They'll have them sign in, create an account, and then be able to connect to your class. And that's it.